Ron Nelson, thank you so much for inviting us to present tonight. I'll briefly introduce what we're working with and who we are. My name is Daniel Clough, and I'll be here tonight to break things down for you. Really quickly, what we're doing is we're addressing one of the biggest issues of our time. It's the concept of water in a drought in a desert. And you may know this already, but the way we say hurricane in the desert is drought. Drought causes more economic damage than anything possible. And right now, a majority of our water is being used on the outside, whether that is in agriculture or how we water our lawns and gardens. We're giving you a resource today of how to do that. Our company's name is Back to Life. We are a biotech company that has created the first residential water conservation and soil management service. We were established in 2021, and we conserved 1.18 million gallons of water alone in August of 2021. We average about 2,000 gallons of water savings per week, and we conditioned 116 lawns in Cedar City, Utah. We are a company that focuses on allowing the average person to both conserve water, improve their soil, and improve the environment they live on. Let you know how a picture is worth 1,000 words. Let's explain our service. What we are is we can work with just about any lawn. This lawn right here we got on the 19th of May, and it was on track to use almost 200,000 gallons of water. After 92 days, by just putting our product down, we were able to make that lawn beautiful and green, and now it is using just shy of 20,000 gallons of water. We reduced the amount of water for this lawn by 90% and made it green. In the process, we were able to remove all sorts of nasty things in the lawn, like fungus and pathogens that were bad. We also got rid of pet stains and made it grow better and make it to where it can use less water. To explain this quickly, we are a product that is a mixture of microbes that restore the soil food webs. We outcompete pathogenic fungi, and we enhance the lawn health. We can reduce your water on average is 50% within a year is pretty easy, but our goal is to reduce your water by 70% within 2 years. And so we come out and we spray microbes onto your lawn that make it to where your soil food web works. What we're asking of you tonight is that we're proposing a study in your HOA. This is the first ever of its kind in Southern Utah. Utah State University is interested in doing a joint study with us in which they can study the effect of our product in different concentrations and different applications in a controlled area. And there's nothing better than an HOA to do that. The purpose of our study is pretty simple. What our goal is we want to achieve a 50% water reduction in your peak summertime hours and peak summertime months. We would like to check your soil health. Our goal is to try to get your lawns conditioned where you can reduce your your fertilizer by 70%. And we also want to kind of study how our product impacts fungus. This year, we were very successful in warm and cold season grasses and getting rid of the top fungi. We actually need some people in your HOA to not use our product. So if people would like to participate by not using our product, we need you. If you're participating that way, no, there will be no cost. At the moment, this service would cost $200 for the whole trial, for the whole year. That would be 4 applications. We would come 3 times in the spring and once in the fall to apply the product, but we would be studying your lawn the whole season. We will be needing to pull soil samples, so once in a while we'll have to take a little coring tool that takes about a quarter size, a roll of quarters out of your lawn to where we can send that into a lab and measure what has happened to the pH in the soil and the microbial health. Ideally, if I get this approved and if I have enough participants, I might be able to get a grant to cover the cost of this, or at least a partial cost. At the moment, it is $200. Our goal is to make it cost less. We are looking for a community that is interested in joining with the university and ourselves to make it to where we can show technology that can make us use less water. If we are able to apply this in Iron County, we would be able to save enough water for our future residents. At the moment, our future does not look good. If we do not add another resident for the next 20 years, and our city were to stay the same size, 20 years from now, we do not have enough water for our city to substantiate existence. It won't work. So we're aggressively studying solutions and we're turning back to life, to nature, to try to find natural resources to things that we've been trying to do artificially right now. Please, if you're interested in participating, either talk to me today or email me at daniel@backtolife.com, or you can reach out to Ron Nelson, your HOA president. These are some people on our team. My name is Daniel. I was a science teacher that's turned research analyst. Bryce Bennett is the owner of a company called Smart Pest Control up here. We're working with Smart and his company to install this product. And we have our doctor and our business strategists that are helping us grow. We are back to life. We're addressing the human footprint on Earth, and we're focusing on the water footprint that the average person is using right now. I appreciate your time today. That's it for our presentation for now. Please reach out to me at daniel@backtolife.com. We are trying to get everything approved and ready to go by the end of October, if not in the first parts of November, so that we can start the study in the spring of 2021. Thank you so much for your time today.